and you're watching the News Hour with Arnab Goswami.
Good evening and welcome back to the News Hour. Tonight on the News Hour, both the Aam Aadmi Party supporters are upset with Times Now and the Anna Hazare supporters are upset with Times Now. The reason is because we have put out a video of the manner in which Anna Hazare was speaking against Arvind Kejriwal. Now, this video is of the dated December 2012. The question is, Vineet Narayan, before I play this video out once again, Anna Hazare is suddenly talking about how, he has problems with the use of money. What happened to the money which was collected in my name? He started talking about it 2-3 days back. The video I have proves that he had problems about it in December 2012. Why do you think he has waited to raise questions till just before the Delhi elections? Is he jealous of Arvind Kejriwal? Does he have a personal problem with the kind of prominence Arvind Kejriwal is getting? What really is the issue here in your view?
Arnab, you may recall that when they started this movement, I was the first one to have issued open letter in Hindi and English addressed to Anna Hazare and Kejriwal, questioning their real intentions. They are both demagogues. They are both having these ego clashes. They are both having some ulterior motives. It's only apparently looking like they're fighting a public cause, but there are so many contradictions in their utterances, their speeches, their mannerism, their body language, their whole approach to the issues, that from day one people like me never trust them for what they're pretending to be.
No, but why is Anna Hazare, why is Anna Hazare going public with this money problem now? Why is he talking about it now?
Well, Arnab, the issue is that if they were genuinely interested in the real issue of corruption, the whole approach would have been different. You don't spend 44 lakhs on media management. I mean, it is shocking if it is true that an activist has to spend 44 lakhs on media management. I mean, so many things, you're claiming that Janta is fighting the election. What does he mean by saying Janta? All these 60 years, Janta has not fought election. Some celestial bodies have had appointed politicians of different parties. We have so many grudges against political parties, their leadership, of their hypocritical behavior and their, criminal background of some of them. But the way these people are handling the whole thing, they're taking the whole nation for a ride.
Here's the video first. Here's the video.
On YouTube.
Here's the video.
Arnab, just 1 second. On a YouTube, this India Against Corruption has put up a video where they're talking of all the scams from post-independence. They have very smartly, very cunningly missed out Hawala scam. The only scam which got 150 people charged for corruption for the first time is not significant for them, because if they talk about that, the whole issue, whole Pandora's box will open. That the very founders
What Pandora's
of their,
box? No, 1 minute. You're on to something. What Pandora's box? Are you accusing the India Against Corruption of Hawala operations? What are you suggesting, Mr. Vineet Narayan? I know that you were the crusader in that case.
No.
But what is the accusation you're making here? What is the accusation?
The accusation is that the people who sabotaged the whole cruise at that time are the founders of Aam Aadmi Party. And this is not I'm saying after 2 years. I told Arvind before he started all this movement. And I said, you have to be careful of such situations.
Who are you talking of?
He was so confident
Who are you talking
about
of?
his own association. I'm talking about Bhushan's. And it's all documented. I'm not talking on emotional basis. Everything is documented.
So a second charge, second charge on News Hour tonight. First charge, that there is a fight over money both sides didn't tell us about. Did you know about it? You didn't. The second charge is selective use of issues. That charge is made by Vineet Narayan, who in the past has been a crusader himself. He's taken the Hawala case right up to the highest point in the Supreme Court of India. Now, here is the video first broadcast on Times Now this evening that exposes the Anna Arvind rift. It's a Times Now exclusive.
अभी जैसे मैं रामलीला में बैठ गया, 3 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोगों ने पैसा दिया, वो मेरे नाम पर दिया।
सही बात, बहुत सही बात।
मैं 5 रुपया भी नहीं लिया।
आमच्या मनाला तेच लागते की आपल्याला काही भेटलं नाही आणि हे लोकांनी कमवून त्याचा तुमचा विरुद्ध उपयोग केला।
दूसरा, अन्ना हजारे के नाम पर इतना वो डाटा कलेक्शन किया,
वो सब किया,
वो
ईमेल, फोन नंबर सब
हे पत्रक आम्ही त्यांच्या मीटिंग मध्ये जाऊन वाटलेले.
तो इतना सब किया, नाम मेरा यूज किया, हमको बुरा विश्वास किया. अभी उसका इलेक्शन के लिए जो डाटा कलेक्शन हुआ उसमें उसका उपयोग इलेक्शन के लिए हो रहा है. हमारे नाम पर जो पैसा इकट्ठा हुआ वो पैसा का उपयोग
नहीं हो रहा है.
तो ये बात बराबर.
अंदाजी मी तिकडे हाच सत्याग्रह करतोय बघा, ते लिहिलंय मी सगळं. त्यांच्या मीटिंग मध्ये जाऊन जे अनजान लोक आहेत त्यांना मी हेच वाटतं की असं आहे, रालेगणचा नंबर असा आहे, तुम्ही तिकडे फोन करून विचारा अण्णा बरोबर आहेत की नाही. मी स्वतः जाम चिडलो. म्हणजे तुम्हाला हे वाटेल
नेशनल लेवल पर अलग से एक मोमेंट है.
बहुत बढ़िया.
किसी का किसी को कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है पहले, और जिनको लगता है देश को बचाना इस छत्र के नीचे आ जाइए बस खत्म. सही बात है. सब नया लोग अच्छा वो करना है.
So in that video, just to explain, Harish Salve joins. In that video, what is clear is Anna Hazare is frustrated with Arvind Kejriwal, says he's taken away my money, used it for the elections, and he's trying to build a new campaign. He's trying to build a new group of people. He says all of the people here should be new. Now, I know that Anna Hazare supporters and Arvind Kejriwal supporters don't like this video coming out, but it tells the full story. Harish Salve joins us on the phone line. Harish Salve, good evening. The other point, Kumar Vishwas, that Anna Hazare says is that how can Arvind Kejriwal say that he's going to bring up some Delhi version of the Lokpal bill? Harish Salve, my question to you is, is Anna Hazare right when he makes that charge against Arvind Kejriwal, that he's making a false promise?
Yeah, I think he's correct, because in fact I also on the news the other day heard a declaration by Mr. Kejriwal that on 29th of December or something he's planning, assuming he gets elected, to have a session in which he will pass the Delhi bill. Now, he possibly doesn't know. And I heard his comment on your channel earlier in the evening where he said, if Uttarakhand could do it and some other state could do it, why not Delhi?
Yeah.
Two important things. Delhi is not a full state in that sense. There is a special constitutional provision which limits Delhi's legislative competence, unlike other states which are full states. Secondly, there is already a law in place, the Lokayukt law. And if Delhi wants to pass any such law, and there is a recent judgment of the Delhi High Court on court fees, it makes it very clear about the limited legislative competence. If they want to make any such law, the bill will first have to be reserved. The governor, the lieutenant governor will have to send it to the government for the presidential assent. It's only after presidential assent the bill comes back, and then the bill will have to be passed. So it's not as simple as that.
So, Kumar Vishwas, on that issue as well, the first issue is money. The second issue is of making a false promise. Anna Hazare says Arvind Kejriwal has no business trying to make such a promise. Harish Salve knows the law. He says Anna Hazare is right on this. Arvind Kejriwal is making a false promise. Do you think Arvind Kejriwal should explain, and whatever he explains, do you think he's just hyping this whole matter as an election slogan without checking the facts?
नहीं, देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि भारत के राजनीतिक इतिहास में पहली बार किसी व्यक्ति ने ये कहा है कि किसी से भी जांच कराएं, संतोष हेगड़े जी कराएं, चाहे सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कोई जज कराएं. मैंने भी अन्ना को बात करने में की, अगर 1 रुपए की भी गलती कहीं पीसीआरएफ या इंडिया अगेंस्ट करप्शन के उस समय के आंदोलन में निकलती है अन्ना जी, तो मैं चुनाव ही नहीं लड़ूंगा. ये सत्यशीलता, ये निर्भीकता और सार्वजनिक जीवन में इतनी शिद्दत के साथ बोल
सवाल ये था कि ये जन लोकपाल बिल के बारे में क्लेम कर रहे हैं.
अन्ना ने भी मुझे ये कहा जी. मैं अगली बात वही कह रहा हूं. आपने 2 सवाल पूछे अन्ना, मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं. पहले सवाल पर तो मैं यही कह रहा हूं कि किन लोगों ने ये बनाया है वीडियो 1 साल पहले, और आज चुनाव से 15 दिन पहले इसको प्रसारित करने के पीछे उनकी मंशा क्या है. कल जो व्यक्ति गया था वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता था, सुषमा स्वराज ने मना किया, लेकिन आज दिल्ली जिले के सचिव भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जमानत ली है. तो एक तरीके से
कुमार विश्वास दोनों,
आपका नाम इसमें से हटा देंगे.
कुमार विश्वास, एक मिनट, पैसों पर झगड़ा है, अब तक पता था मगर इस पे प्रूफ नहीं था, अभी प्रूफ आ चुकी है. माय क्वेश्चन इज टू हरीश, आंसर द पॉइंट व्हिच हरीश साल्वे हैज मेड, राइट? हरीश साल्वे आल्सो सेज दैट यू कैनॉट से, a Vidhan Sabha cannot pass a national bill. And that's the point, right? Arvind Kejriwal says, I will pass a Delhi version of the Jan Lokpal bill. Harish Salve, can he do that?
He can't do that. They require presidential assent.
So why is he making the promise?
This is one example. There are several such examples where such false promises are being made.
No, why is he making that promise? Because you're going to have to check this on fact. Vineet Narayan, he is making that promise, isn't he? That I will pass a Delhi version of the Jan Lokpal bill. And I will launch it from Ramlila grounds.
You see, over last few weeks, his tone has become absolutely stereotype politician's tone, where he's giving so many dreams, so many false promises, as if with a magic stick he will change everything overnight. I mean, it only shows that either he has no understanding of this country or system, or he knows everything and he thinks he can fool the people.
No, but
people are fed up with corruption. People want change. But that doesn't mean that you misguide them.
No, is somebody from the Congress provoking Anna? Because, the other argument is that Anna is a simple person, you see. He can be used and he can be provoked. That's what Team Kejriwal always says. He's a simple person. Has somebody filled his ears? Because Sunita Godara, I did an interview with Arvind Kejriwal 2 months back. In that interview, Ms. Godara, Arvind Kejriwal said that I will bring out some Delhi form of the Jan Lokpal bill and I will launch it from Ramlila grounds. I will do it in style. He made that comment. 2 months back, Anna Hazare said nothing. There was a fight over money almost going back 1 year, but Anna Hazare said nothing. Suddenly, just when it appears that Arvind Kejriwal is doing fine, he's doing well, the party is picking up steam in Delhi, suddenly from Ralegaon Siddhi, Anna Hazare starts making a few comments. No. Is there something fishy?
No. He has asked me.
Is somebody using him?
Let me answer first.
Is somebody using him?
Let me answer first.
There are even allegations that the government has used intelligence forces to try and manipulate Anna Hazare's mind. You see, there have been this kind of talk, unsubstantiated.
That is for sure. From the very beginning, when this Andolan came up, there were sources who were trying to break this Andolan movement, people. So that is true. Secondly, this video which you are showing, Anna speaks like this only. He is just discussing with his people or with the social workers, whosoever is raising question. So he has told us so many times in when we had Team Anna meeting also, that where the money is going, how it is going.
No,
so
why
now,
is Anna interested in the money?
This can only be killed.
Why is he interested in money? I thought he always said,
Anna is not interested in money. He is just telling people that the money was collected in my name.
No, but why is he interested in the money?
Which everybody knows.
Why is he interested in the money? He always says, I'm a simple man, I have no material interest.
He is just saying, now he has asked in the letter that I want to know the details.
No, but he always said that.
The tally sheet will give the answer. The devil is in the tally sheet. If there is any wrong, the tally sheet.
So you are saying Arvind Kejriwal ran away with the money?
So that is not a problem.
So show the tally sheet, finish it off. You know how this looks.
Secondly,
you know how this looks. Arvind and Anna came out. Arvind and Anna came out, Ms. Godara. I remember Arvind and Anna came out, said this is a movement that does not care about money. And now you're saying, show me the tally sheet. Where is your money? How much money did you collect? Give me the money. You took away my money. Bring back the money. He says, I didn't take the money.
Which is, Arnab, you should understand that this money is peanuts. The Andolan was very big and the expenditure was done. Now, only thing is, Arvind's integrity is in question. So he should say
Arvind's integrity is in question.
Anna knows what is the detail.
Why were you hiding it till now?
His name.
Why were you hiding it till now if his integrity was in question? If Arvind Kejriwal's integrity was in question, then why was Anna Hazare quiet till now? Why has he spoken 2 weeks before a Delhi election? Why? Why was he quiet? Why didn't he go public?
You should ask Anna ji.
No, I am asking you. You represent Anna ji. Ab tak Anna ji chup kyun the?
Anna ji.
ये क्या हो रहा है? एक मिनट, कुमार विश्वास is responding.
Why or when he decided to write this letter, because many people are going to him and provoking.
Sunita,
I don't know when he decided.
Sunita, Arvind Kejriwal told us, I want to speak to Anna. People don't let me speak to Anna.
और अरविंद ने कहा था कि ये ऑडिट रिपोर्ट है और जो पैसा बचा हुआ है आप रख लीजिए.
कुमार विश्वास can go by flight. Arvind can also go by flight.
अन्ना ने दादा पठारे और सुरेश पठारे को 6 दिन भेजा भी था. ये कल अन्ना ने भी कहा. कल अन्ना ने मुझे कहा कि मुझे अरविंद पर पूरा भरोसा है, वो ईमानदार व्यक्ति है. आपको याद होगा कि अन्ना का अनशन तुड़वाते समय भी जब आए थे, अरविंद ने बाइट दी थी, आपने लाइव चलाया था. अन्ना ने कहा था कि अरविंद तपस्या कर रहे हैं, दूसरों के लिए कर रहे हैं.
कहने की बात होती है,
सब त्याग दिया, सत्य के मार्ग पर चल रहे हैं. लेकिन 1 साल पुराना वीडियो जिन लोगों ने आज चुनाव से 10 दिन पहले जारी किया है, ये वही लोग हैं.
एक मिनट, नहीं, वन सेकेंड. कुमार विश्वास, अन्ना हजारे तो वही पॉइंट आज भी बोल रहे हैं. यू सी, नो
सिद्धि में इसीलिए गया था और मैंने अन्ना को कहा था कि आप हमारे मेंटर हैं, आप हमारे
विश्वास, यू कांट मैनेज.
आपके ऐसा कहने से लोगों के मन में शंका हुई है. उन्होंने कहा नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है, अरविंद पर भरोसा करता हूं और मैं मीडिया में आकर ये बात कहूंगा.
He came out before the media. नहीं कहा ना, he didn't say that. He's still saying, where is the money? Anna Hazare is saying, where is the money? No, 1 minute please. He's saying, where is the money? Where is the money? There's a fight over money. Now you don't want me to talk about it? You want to bury it? It's not convenient for you, Kumar Vishwas, that people should know about it.
सिंह ने जब आरोप लगाए थे तो अन्ना ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके खुद ही वो रिपोर्ट रखी थी कि मैंने सब जांच करा ली. और अन्ना जब ये पैसा खत्म हो गया था, अन्ना
I put this question to Kumar. 1 minute. No, I think
काम चला था.
I think, one second. While I'm asking why Anna Hazare is speaking now, let's not deny that there is a fight over money. Vineet Narayan, last word to you. Obviously there is a certain amount of a political context in which this is happening. There is a political context of the Delhi elections.
Well,
who's more answerable? Who is more answerable, Anna Hazare or Kejriwal?
That's quite possible. But the point is that Anna Hazare is not Gandhi. He keeps changing his stance. He gets into the people. He has his own agenda all the time. I mean, people have only blown him out of proportion. So Anna Hazare, as I said in the beginning, 2 demagogues fighting with each other and they are making mockery of the whole thing.
Harish Salve, you've seen what's been going on. You followed this movement. In fact, when this movement happened, you had some points of view about it. How do you think it's panning out? What's it in terms of perception?
Aruna, nothing has changed. It's old wine in new bottles.
Well, the question is whether Arvind Kejriwal goes and meets Anna Hazare in the next few days and whether this fight ends here. Mr. Salve, thank you very much. To all my other panelists as well, thank you very much. Vineet Narayan, Sunita Godara and Kumar Vishwas. And before I go, my question to you is this. With more and more allegations surfacing against him, with more and more questions being asked, the BJP says this is a private matter. Amit Shah says, I will not answer any questions. In your view, should Amit Shah speak up instead of avoiding the media glare? On the Snoop scandal, some questions cannot be wished away. I'll see you again tomorrow at 9 p.m. on the News Hour. Good night and goodbye.